Shit, I be one spinning on the money while you sitting round wondering why.